My name is Tom Tresser, and I've been doing grassroots democracy in the most corrupt city in America for over 30 years. In Chicago, we have a toxic civic ecosystem that's produced racism, massive consumer ripoffs, and privatization scams that has our city on the ropes. I'm asking you to help us build the CivicLab, a robust community-facing hub where we'll be training, educating, researching, and building new leaders to win for justice here and across America. We've already trained 180 people in the last year, and 6 of them are running for office. 1,000 people have taken our open enrollment civic workshops. We've built some civic tools, we've published a book, and this work has caused us to be invited to over 130 public meetings. We feel we're really making a difference and expanding the civic imagination of our great city, but we need your help to survive and thrive. Justice needs a home in Chicago.